Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome guys, if you're new here, that truly means a lot to me that you selected this video, but I know that you guys just want to see which variation I received. I purchased 2 of the boxes. I really wanted the extreme, but just 2 minutes in it was already sold out. So I'm like, I have no other choice. I checked size small, medium, and large, and it was all gone. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna get Supreme and Deluxe, and I'm surprised they both came together in one box. So finally we're gonna go ahead and open the boxes. I have not opened it. I don't know which variation I got, so hopefully there's no duplicates. So yes guys, thank you for selecting this video. That truly means a lot to me. Welcome, my name is Jasmine, and look at it already, how it looks like. It's super heavy, and I was so impressed to see that they had the spring variation, the spring boxes. I thought it was going to be in Valentine's, but I'm not mad. I'm glad that we finally got it. And the first one we got is the Supreme box. As you know, it's a canary yellow. I just can't wait guys. I hope I got the Thirsty palette, because that's the only one that I don't have. I have the other one that we're showing. I guess it was worth the wait. So let's go ahead and see. So more suspense. Something that I think everybody's getting, which is the exclusive items. And as you know, it's the pins. There's 4 of those pins, and they are very cute. They're very cute actually. The shirt, but inside the shirt, when you open the shirt, it has 3 of those single shadows. As you know, they count as one item. So I got the death certificate, good morning, that was really pretty, and RIP. So here are the 3 boxes. Here is the shirt, very pretty too. I'm gonna open it and show you guys later on. And then I got this. So which do you think is this one is? I don't know. Oh, I got Jawbreaker. I already have this palette. I got this last year. I got this, I think it was in the winter box. I got, this is the mini Velour liquid lipstick. And how cute are these? Then I got the liner, and this one's called Money Counter. You know, I haven't seen this shade as a variation much going on, and I don't mind the color. I think it's very colorful and playful. It's a really cute shade. And for the gloss, look at the packaging, so pretty. This one is called Pretzel Drip. I know everybody's gonna be getting this one. This is Diet Shame. This is the lip balm. And last, oh, this is an interesting one, the liquid lipstick. I got Breakfast at Tiffany's. So this is a variation I have seen. I don't mind this one too, because this is a pretty color that you could make for a really cute liner. So I'm not mad with that. But yeah, this is a duplicate palette. I was hoping for the other one. Supreme, I thought they said the shade was like a lavender shade, but it was kind of pink to me. I love lavender, so I'm not getting lavender. I don't know. I think this was better than the other ones that I got for Halloween and even for winter. I hope they continue to improve. I feel like they have. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. So once again, we got the same one. We got the hoodie, and this one is size . Small. Ooh, guys, we got 2 palettes. That's what I'm saying. This one I feel like it's totally worth it. It's better than the other ones we have received. Can you imagine getting 2 palettes? And I was not expecting this palette at all for a long time to be shown in one of the boxes. So I don't have it, and I'm super excited to get it in this box. How pretty it is, the way it feels. I love the colors, and I'm telling you, the packaging, I love how every tissue paper matches the palette. You know what, that should have been a given for the Jawbreaker. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, how pretty is that? That's what I want to open the jawbreaker. I'm going to show you the one I have. I don't know if I could show it to you guys because I'm packing, we're moving, and that's why the setting is a little bit different. I'm moving, so I don't know if I believe I already packed it, but that's what I want to open it in case I do a giveaway or if I sell the palette for the jawbreaker. But it is a really pretty palette. I don't know, I'm very impressed with the shades from most of the palettes that I get from Jeffree Star. That's why I love his makeup items, because the quality is so great. This one I actually got this when it first came out, when it was first released. Luckily I did not get it for the winter box. I got a different one. I think that's when I got jawbreaker. So this one, I don't know if I'm gonna do a giveaway or if I might sell it, but it's such a pretty palette too, and I think I already packed that one as well, but I don't want to open it for that reason. But guys, can you believe getting 2 palettes in this box? So now let's go ahead and see. We have 3 extra shades, and I'm glad that they don't seem the same shades as I got on the other one. I got Brain Freeze. Look how cute that blue is. Jawbreaker, and wow, look at that. I think I'll be using those shades. Oh, look at this. This is a cute bag. On this section, I'm going to be putting exactly how many items are expected. I believe this is one of those exclusive items. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, look at the details. It's like a rose gold. I think this is so cute. Look at the colors. It's so pretty. You know, I've seen some pictures, but looking at it right now, look at the details. It's rose gold too. Really cute, really pretty. So we got that item, and let's see the Extreme Frost highlighting powder. So let me see which shade I got. I got one, I think it was last year. Oh, it's called Gag Me. I have to check if I have this one. I really don't want to open it completely, because if it's the same one, then I think I'm just gonna give it away too. How cute is this? I'm telling you, the packaging is just what I love the most. So many lipsticks. Okay, so we have, let me be perfectly clear. So this is going to be very light, very clear, very light. Oh, Androgyny. I don't have this one. This is a liquid lipstick. Today I'm wearing Leo. It's one that I got I think it was last year. A Velvet Trap lipstick. How cute is this? It's called Funeral Parlor. But the packaging, OMG. Oh, this is so cute. Look at that. It smells nice too. Oh, it's a pretty color. And it snaps too. I love that. Look at this packaging. I don't like to get rid of it. You can see some back there. I just love, this is one of those packagings that I really love to keep. So we have 3 so far, and we have 3 more in the box. So we have the gloss, and this is called Lure Star. My favorite color. Oh, Gemini. Not a bad shade. And this one is a liner. Oh, look at this liner. I'm loving that color as well. This is the liner, guys, for that lipstick. This is called Breakfast at Tiffany. Perfect to be going together. So I'm glad I got that pair. So can you believe this is also in that box with 2 palettes and that hoodie and that nice bag? But I see something else in this box. So let's see. Guys, look at this. This is my favorite color, so I'm glad to see this purple box. I actually got a hand mirror last year. It's still in the box as well. Oh, look at this. It's called purple glitter. I feel like this is my box. I'm telling you, this is my box because of the colors and what is in there. And I don't even want to mess up the sticker, but I do want to see how it looks like. So let's go ahead and open this box. Wow, I'm telling you, this is my box because this is my favorite color. It does have this nice soft glitter. I love my variations. It's sad that I got 2 duplicates. Once I started seeing the spoilers, I kind of felt like I was gonna get some of those, but I'm not mad that it's not just this one. I also got another one that I don't have. There's other products here that I don't have that I really like, and I think this one was really the best one so far, comparing it to Halloween and also winter from last year. So I am totally impressed. I wanted to do this unboxing and show you exactly what I received on both boxes. I think I got it a little late, but I'm glad that I got them together to do just one video doing both unboxings. So guys, I am really impressed. I love the boxes, and let me know what you guys think. If you're still waiting on it, if you got the extreme, or then lucky you that you got the extreme, because the premium boxes were looking pretty good too. So yeah, I think this was a good mystery box season. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think of my variation. Do you have a similar one? What do you guys think? And thank you so much for spending some of your time with me, and until the next video, bye.